How to use Live Transcribe on Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the Settings app. Now scroll down up to Accessibility. Tap on Accessibility. Tap on Hearing Enhancement. At the top, you can find the Live Transcribe option. Tap on it. Live Transcribe is helpful. Automatically write the text when you spoke in your device. Let's see how it works. Open Live Transcribe. Now allow access the notification record audio. Now say anything. Hello, how are you? What are you doing? Here I will explain you how to use Live Transcribe on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. You can change the setting gear icon here. Here you can customize Live Transcribe like text size, increase or decrease the text size. Transaction history, toggle on it to delete it after it. Open sound notification, tap on more settings. Here you can see change text size like this, increase or decrease text size. Theme, change the theme light, dark, show icon in app list. Also see audio and language settings, microphone, allow the permission. Primary language, here you can change the primary language also, secondary language. Custom words, here add custom word or phrase that aren't in the dictionary so they can be transcribed easily. Also toggle on transaction history to automatically delete after 24 hours. Vibrate when speech resume. So this is the all customization settings for Live Transcribe on your Samsung device. You can also toggle on it to create a shortcut for a Live Transcribe using three methods. Tap accessibility button, press side and volume up buttons, press and hold volume up and down for 3 seconds. So select the option. That's it. If you like it, share it.